Recently, I have uploaded a video on YouTube regarding Domino's free gift that they are offering. And one of the comments I have got in this from Srivastava, please help me, I'm in Jaipur. I click on the coupon, it just simply gives 50 rupees off without any wheel spinning. Srivastava, thanks for asking. We'll see how to spin the wheel and get free gift from Domino's Pizza. As you see in the picture, you just have to spin the wheel. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. आप कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Kasecho teacher? Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. You go to Domino's Pizza app, as shown here. Scroll down. On the home page itself, you'll find the Super Spinner offer. Click on that. Once you click, you see wheel appearing before you. You've got a lot of gifts embedded in this wheel. 100% off, free garlic bread, 50 off, no luck, Pepsi free, rupees 150 off, rupees 80 off, free garlic bread, and free charcoal lava cake also is available. Okay, you can get any of these offers or free gifts by spinning the wheel. And let me tell you, you can spin the wheel only once in a day and place your order. And the order value should be 350 rupees. Now I'll spin the wheel. As you see, I've spinned it. I've got a free charcoal lava cake. Now this question appears before me. When is Children's Day celebrated? I answered it as 14th November. You have to answer the question correctly. Then you will see here, as shown in the picture, dessert of the match, you have one free charcoal lava cake. Here itself you see code Super Spinner applied. Now you can click on Start Ordering. Once you click on Start Ordering, you will have the Domino's menu before you. You can use the options as veg only, non-veg only, sort by, and add the items to the cart. Whatever pizza you like, you can add to the cart. And note that your minimum order value should be 350 and above for the Super Spinner offer to be applied. After adding all the items to the cart, click on View Cart and place your order. Before placing your order, you check with the order details and the items that are in the cart. Along with the orders you have added to cart, you will find this charcoal lava cake or any other item that you have won on spinning Super Spinner's wheel. As you see in the picture, the coupon is also applied. Now you can select or add your address and place your order. Sometimes you'll be getting 100% off on your order. Just try your luck by spinning the wheel daily. Okay, you can enjoy for free the offers from Domino's and the free gifts. As you see in the picture, is the charcoal lava cake yummy? Let me know in the comment section. And what is the free gift you have got and the offer you have got from Domino's Pizza on spinning the wheel? Let me know this answer also in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Hope this video is helpful to win free gifts and avail super offers from Domino's Pizza. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Don't forget to subscribe, please.